Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues. And today we're going to talk about whether or not there's a bias in the state of Michigan with respect to mothers or fathers. That is to say, is this a mother-oriented state or a father-oriented state? I will tell you this. I would say that many years ago, maybe 30, 40 years ago, that question was more relevant than it is today. It was more relevant because there was more of a inclination to give mothers the custody than the fathers. So the fathers, right off the bat, had to deal with that presumed bias. Now, the court would always tell you, oh no, we don't do it that way, we are always trying to be fair and blah, blah, blah. But the truth of the matter is, statistically speaking, if you looked at the records many, many years ago, you'd see that the mothers are typically getting the custody. So what do we have today, though? Here we are in 2022. Do we have a state that's biased toward the mother or biased toward the father? And the answer is no. We've come a long way in establishing the elimination of any kind of gender bias from the standpoint of custody. So now, I'm not saying that in every single court, every single circuit in the state, you won't have some judge that's going to, just give the kids to the mother, just give the kids to the father. There are always people that will do that. There are always rogue judges who bring in their own attitudes to the bench, who somehow, can't see past the inertia of their own preconceived notions, and they tend to, do these things, and it's biased, and that's what the Court of Appeals is for. And if that happens to you, you need to take action. But in most cases, you're going to find that just like, justice is always depicted with a blindfold on, so too the judges are blinded to the gender of the parties. They really try to work what's in the best interest of the child, irrespective of whether or not that means mom's getting custody or dad's getting custody. And I will tell you, for the most part, in our experience here at the firm, it's about 50-50. And you know what makes the change? It's not whether or not it's the man or the woman. What makes or breaks the case is whether or not somebody's genuinely showing that they're taking actions to facilitate what's in the best interest of the child. Whereas the other parent who maybe isn't doing that, the other parent who's maybe engaging in a lot of a horribilization of the other parent, a lot of slandering, a lot of bad mouthing the other parent, trying to somehow get the edge that way, trying to make the kids curry favor with the children, and at the same time trying to make the dad or the mom look bad. Those people are going to lose custody, and it's not going to be because they wear pants or skirts. It's going to be because the court feels that it's not in the best interest of the child to be raised by such a biased influence. If you have that situation or you're not sure about it, reach out, let's talk about it. We'll see if we can help you out.